Live from Vegas, son, to be the illest one, representing NY to the fullest videos. I shoot 'em. What's good, everybody? It's your boy, billionaire philanthropist Baron.Von.Lockhart, coming at y'all live and direct. Y'all tuning into the For What It's Worth channel. For What It's Worth channel. And basically on this channel, what we do is we go over fly gear, like stuff that I would actually wear. Gear, like whether it be clothes or sneakers, basically is what we go over mainly for the most part. I buy stuff, review it, and then I send it out to you, the peoples, my peoples. You know what I'm saying? The people that are tuning in watching this video right now. I'm not sponsored by anybody, so like I said, this is stuff that I buy with my personal money that I send out to you. Because why? It's fly and everybody deserves to be fly. Now, the stuff that I send out also too, if I don't have it, the only reason why I don't have it is because I'm sending it out. But some of the stuff I also do have, so if I do buy something, I'll double up and get a pair for myself, whether it be shoes or clothes. And that's basically the way the channel works. So with that being said, we're gonna go into our first episode. We got these Nike shorts, these camo Nike shorts. These are mine. Black and white color theme, pretty nice and everything. Raider Nation, you go ahead and get these. Like I said, definitely not sponsored by Nike or anybody by that matter. Camo color theme, very nice. These are the actual ones that I'm giving away. These are a French blue, baby blue kind of colorway, basically baby blue with a little bit of navy blue. If you have the Flint 13s, if you're on this channel, you know what the Flint 13s are. If you don't, you can easily look them up, the Jordans. Anyways, they go perfect with these shorts. You know what I'm saying? You throw these on, fresh white tee, you're good to go, good money if you're just going out to like just rock. Because let's be honest, everybody that gets these shorts, you're not gonna always be going to the gym all the time. Some of y'all might. They're versatile though. If you decide to go to the gym, they're dry fit, very light. You're gonna look nice, sugar spice, everything nice, everything looking good. If you decide to just go to Walmart in these, you're gonna look good. You know what I'm saying? They look good, they feel nice, and all that. So like the ones that I will be giving away, like I said, they are a baby blue, kind of navy blue and some blackish kind of color in them. Very good. And as you can see, it's still in the package and everything. Haven't worn these. Honestly, these are a 2X. If I'm being honest with you, I gotta be, because y'all my peoples. I was gonna keep these for myself. When I did buy these intentionally, I was like, these are tough. And I didn't keep them. I'm just like, all right, bet, I'll just give these ones away. But that's what we're doing for the first episode. They retail for $40. These might still actually have these on Nike.com if you're seeing this the day of when it records. Weeks, months, obviously from now, I'm not sure if they're gonna have them, probably not. But they're a good pair of shorts. They look nice. They serve its purpose for whatever that purpose is, whatever you want it to be. That's what it comes down to. Other than that though, basically, they're good. They're good money. They're nice. They get the billionaire philanthropist Baron.Von.Lockhart stamp of approval of being fly nice. And here comes my son to interrupt the video. Yep. What's up? You want to say hi to the people? Guess you're going to be in this one too, man. Come on. Ugh. All right. So, like I was saying, Flint, I'm dubbing these the camo Flint 13 Jordan shorts, and you guys could have them if you want. Like I said, so basically how this is going to work is, I probably didn't break down that part too well either. At some point in the video, which is this video is going to be coming up, but it could be at random times for future videos, I'm going to say, and I quote, blah, 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 whatever it is I say. It's going to be something different each time. If you, the viewer, could email me, and all this information, my email address will be in the video link. And if you could email me your name, your address, or the address you want me to send to, it doesn't have to be your personal address, whatever. These, as I like to call them now, the Flint camo Nike shorts and the 2X will be yours. They will be sent to you from me, billionaire philanthropist Baron.Von.Lockhart and Cameron Company, and they will be yours. So, and I quote, this is where it happens, this is the real one. ABC123. Like I said, ABC123. You send that to me in an email, say what's up. You don't even gotta say what's up. Just put ABC123, your name, your address, where you want me to send to, and it will be yours. These ones, not these. Raider Nation, if you want, black and white colorway kind of thing. Camo. The Flint, the blue ones will be yours. And on that note, I'll get y'all later, you know what I'm saying? Cam, say peace. Yep, that works. Okay, cool. Get y'all later.